In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new folder in Scanner Pro on iPhone. If you're organizing a growing library of scans, folders are a simple way to keep everything tidy and easy to find. I'll walk you through the process from opening the app to saving your new folder, and I'll share a few helpful tips along the way so you get it right the first time. First, open the Scanner Pro app on your iPhone. If you keep it on your home screen, just tap the icon, otherwise swipe down and use the iPhone search to find it quickly. When the app opens, you'll land on your main library where your scans are listed. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and tap the three dots icon. This is the More menu, and it's where Scanner Pro keeps extra actions that aren't on the main toolbar. If you don't see it immediately, make sure you're on the main library view rather than inside an existing folder. From the menu that appears, tap New Folder. This will open a small panel or pop-up where you can set up your folder. Creating a dedicated folder now saves time later, especially if you scan frequently or manage different categories like work documents, receipts, or personal records. You'll see a text field. This is where you type the folder name. Choose a clear descriptive name that reflects what you plan to store there. For example, you might use something like Receipts 2026, Tax Documents, or Class Notes. Consistent naming makes search and sorting much easier over time. Consider adding dates or short keywords you'll remember. Avoid including any sensitive information in the name and keep it short enough that it's easy to spot at a glance. Once you've typed your folder name, tap Done to save and create the folder. You'll be taken back to your library and your new folder should appear in the list. If you don't see it right away, try scrolling or pulling down to refresh the view. You can now tap the folder to open it and start moving existing scans into it or save new scans directly inside. That's all there is to it. Open Scanner Pro, tap the three dots, choose New Folder, name it, and tap Done. A few seconds of setup gives you a cleaner, more organized scanning workflow. If you ever need to rename or remove a folder later, you can use the same three dots menu while viewing the folder to manage it. Thanks for watching and happy scanning.